Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hello, it's James again, and today we're talking about digital marketing. Specifically, how to stop making costly mistakes that are probably hurting your business more than you realize. Now look, we've all been there. You pour your heart and soul, not to mention your budget, into marketing campaigns, but you're just not seeing the results you hoped for. It can be beyond frustrating. The good news is that many of these common mistakes are completely avoidable with the right tools and strategies in place. That's what we're diving into today. We're going to expose the 3 biggest mistakes businesses make in the digital marketing world, and more importantly, how OnPassive can help you overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the pitfalls to avoid, but you'll also have actionable solutions, thanks to OnPassive's suite of AI-powered tools. So let's get to it. But first, as always, please do me a huge favor and subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Thanks. Let's be honest. Data analytics isn't the sexiest topic. In fact, it can seem downright intimidating. But here's the thing, ignoring your data is like driving with your eyes closed. You might eventually reach your destination, but it's going to be a bumpy, expensive, and potentially disastrous ride. Data analytics tells you what's working and what's not in your marketing. It shows you who your audience is, what they're engaging with, and where you're hemorrhaging money on strategies that just aren't converting. Think about it, wouldn't it be incredibly valuable to know which blog posts are generating the most leads, or which social media platform is driving the most traffic to your website? Of course it would, that's the power of data. The problem is, traditional analytics dashboards can feel like trying to decipher a foreign language. That's where OnPassive comes in. OnPassive takes all that complex data and transforms it into easy-to-understand insights. Imagine having a clear visual representation of your key performance indicators, all in one place. No more jumping between platforms or struggling to make sense of spreadsheets. OnPassive empowers you to make data-driven decisions, optimize your campaigns in real time, and get the most out of your marketing budget. Don't fly blind, let data be your guide. Alright, let's talk strategy. I can't emphasize this enough. Without a well-defined digital marketing strategy, you're basically setting money on fire. It's like setting sail without a map or a destination in mind. You might enjoy the ride for a while, but you'll likely end up lost at sea. A solid strategy outlines your goals, target audience, key messages, and the tactics you'll use to achieve your objectives. It's your roadmap to success. Now I know what you might be thinking. Creating a strategy sounds complicated and time-consuming. And you know what? You're right, it can be, especially if you're trying to do it all on your own. But here's the beauty of OnPassive. It simplifies the entire process. OnPassive's strategic planning tools help you define your target market, identify the best platforms to reach them, and craft compelling messaging that resonates with your ideal customer. It's like having a team of marketing experts at your fingertips, guiding you every step of the way. No more feeling overwhelmed or unsure of where to start. OnPassive provides the framework and the tools to create a winning digital marketing strategy, tailored to your specific business goals. Chapter 3. Mistake number 3. Failing to optimize for mobile. Let's face it, we live in a mobile-first world. People are constantly on their smartphones, scrolling through social media, checking emails, and even making purchases. If your website and marketing materials aren't optimized for mobile devices, you're missing out on a massive chunk of potential customers. Think about your own online behavior. How frustrating is it when you land on a website that's slow to load, difficult to navigate, or just plain ugly on your phone? You probably hit the back button faster than you can say mobile-ageddon, right? That's exactly what your audience is doing if your website isn't mobile-friendly. They're bouncing back to Google and finding your competitors who offer a seamless mobile experience. Now the good news is that OnPassive has you covered here as well. OnPassive's mobile optimization solutions ensure that your website is responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to fit any screen size. This means no more pinch and zoom frustration for your visitors, and no more lost leads due to a clunky mobile experience. OnPassive makes it easy to provide a user-friendly experience across all devices, maximizing your reach and engagement. So there you have it. The 3 biggest digital marketing mistakes to avoid, and how OnPassive can help you steer clear of them. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when you act on it. Don't let these common pitfalls hold you back any longer. With OnPassive, You can leverage the power of AI and automation to optimize your campaigns, make data-driven decisions, and achieve real, measurable results. If you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, head over to our website to learn more about OnPassive and how it can transform your business. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more actionable marketing tips and strategies. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. And remember, with OnPassive, you can avoid these common mistakes and take your marketing to the next level. For more information about OnPassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.